There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified, pre-owned 2018 Dodge Challenger SXT in granite crystal. With gloss black grille, projector fog lamps, 20-inch gloss black painted aluminum wheels, performance brakes, satin black rear spoiler, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 15,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone automatic temperature control, sport mode, 60/40 split rear folding seats, power sunroof, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5544A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.